Yo, what's up? Today I'm at Miami Beach. Why am I here? Well, because I got a cheap ass flight from Santo Domingo to here and from here to New York, including hostel and food for way less than it would have cost one way because of the recent beautiful hurricanes that hit us and hit the damn high inflated prices of the air tickets from Santo Domingo to New York directly. And so, without further ado, I want to show you what Miami Beach has to offer. Here's the famous post office. Look at that. Very Art Deco style. Inside looks super old, but it's pretty cool. Yeah. Look at this, they got City Bike here in Miami. Well, that's unexpected. Wonder if it like crosses over with the New York branch of City Bikes for the membership. I have to check later. So we're here by the beach where they play volleyball, and I got my taco meal right here. Nothing more nice before relaxing and sitting on a park bench. I'll be looking at these old school hotels, eating nice taco dinner, and waiting for the volleyball game to start. Now we're walking to the beach. I wonder what the beach looks like here. Hopefully it's nice, not trashy. We'll see. Beach is closed at 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. Well, that's interesting. Oh, it's all hot. I should have brought an umbrella. I should put on a hat. Hopefully this is not going to be a shaky video. Oh, there it is. Oh shit, look at that. That's so fucking stealthy out. It's all like blacked out. Whoo! Damn, this beach is hella hot. Let me hide here in the shade. Oh. It's like that stealth looking yacht. Look at that. Hella ominous looking. What the hell are they doing on there? Oh, I can't zoom anymore, damn it. I'm debating if I want to go into the water, see what it looks like. Why not? Oh. Look at that. Pretty nice looking. Hey, the water's okay looking. It's not that clean. Why isn't it that clean? It's weird. There's that ominous boat. Look at that. Weird. Isn't this water as clean as I wanted it to be? Well, that's that. It's not that clean. Disappointing, actually. So this is the infamous Muscle Beach area. Over here, these containers. That's where they got the gear. And then if you zoom out, there's people doing their exercises and stuff. They got the barbells here. They got kettlebells there. What else? They got dip bar right here. They got pull-up bars over here. The rings. Then there's like some guy doing, well, he was doing pull-ups over here. I mean, deadlifts right here. But yeah, look at that. I don't know how I feel about working out in the hot ass sun. But yeah, it's Miami Beach South, Muscle Beach, South Beach.
women's volleyball.
It was cool to see this area that I've seen so many times in Grand Theft Auto Vice City. So, say hello to my Ocean Drive friend. Art Tech House was a surreal experience. I really enjoyed the projection mapping effects and also the interactive exhibits. It was worth the admission price. Oh, this is cool. There's a lot of different screens here. What is this? So in conclusion, food in Miami Beach was mad expensive. The only cheap things here were the flight over from Santo Domingo and the stay in the hostel with the Snorlax. So, what do you think? Would you come to Miami Beach? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And until next time, peace. So today I'm flying Frontier. Check this out. I got the snack pack. The snack pack has so many items and the tray is so small. I can't even fit everything in the damn tray. I put the water down here. Look at that. What's going on? Why are these trays so small? Look at that. This is the size of the tray. It's as big as my hand. Like eating like a 12 years economy slave. Look at that, man. It's difficult to eat cheese and crackers in this small ass tray. America's greenest airline. I believe that.